Hey everyone, welcome back to the Open Coder. Today I'm going to be going over some simple tools to increase your website's accessibility and search engine optimization. The first tool I'm going to show off is called Lighthouse, which is an extension that you can use in Chrome DevTools. So here it'll show you need to go to the website, and then all you're going to do is open DevTools, and then in the Audits tab, you can generate the report. So I'm going to do this in an incognito window, so we're not, none of my extensions will be affecting it. There's a Lighthouse tab. We just generate report. It'll usually take a couple seconds to like run all its simulations and run the report. So just wait. Right, and we're now getting the report. Okay, so here you can see that there's a couple of numbers, so each is a rating for different categories. So you can see the performance score is really bad at 19, but the accessibility is kind of okay at 82. Really good on best practices, and the SEO is not too bad, but it could be better. So in the metrics, it'll highlight some of the important things that need to be improved. If we scroll down, we can see like what sort of opportunities we have to increase like the performance um, of the site. So like preload key requests, you can see it's taking up 3 seconds um, of the performance load, or if they just removed some JavaScript, it would save a whole 2 seconds. Um, you can scroll through and see like accessibility. There's some things that need to be changed with colors and navigation. There's nothing under best practices because they got a perfect score. The SEO, they need to use alt attributes on image elements. And then you can see progressive web app information here. Um, and then there's a similar tool to Lighthouse um, called Web Dev, which uses, I think, basically the same technology, but it's got a different layout and it runs the performance audit differently. So you can see there's a category and it has impact here, and then it gives you like a quick title of what the report came back as saying you need to change, and then there's like guides here on how you can improve that score. So you can kind of use those two tools interchangeably or um, together to get the most report back on your performance, accessibility practices, and search engine optimization. And lastly, I'm going to show you a cool tool for specifically just accessibility that we're going to run on Quizlet. So that ran super fast, and you can see that it kind of picks apart the website into how a screen reader would go through it. So we can turn the styles off. And you can see that their first page gets trimmed down quite a lot from what we see on the normal website to how it's going to be read. We'll turn the styles back on, and we'll go to details, and I'll show there's one contrast error here, and then a couple of alerts saying no regions, no script element, and then it's checking off some things that were done fine. And then here you can get the structure, the document. Unfortunately, this only has one H1 tag, but if you had H2s, H3s, H4s, whatever, it would show the hierarchy of how it's going to get parsed through. And then you can even mess with some of the properties here to see like when they pass and when they don't. So yeah, that's just a quick intro into increasing your accessibility and search engine optimization in just a couple minutes. So have a great day. Thanks.